Hi guys, so this short video discusses like one of the major queries of students, that what is CPD. So I receive many queries related to what is CPD, which activities are considered CPD, what is our requirement as a student member related to CPD, what is our requirement, if I want to become a fellow, how many hours of CPD do we require on annual basis, or total hours do we require? Is this activity a part of CPD? Is this activity will be considered in CPD? So these are many queries related to CPD which we get on daily basis. So that's why I decided to make a short video related to this so that it can answer your queries. Still, after this video, in case you feel there are any queries which are left, you can feel free to discuss on the institute number. So CPD stands for Continuing Professional Development. Now from 1st August 2020, basically IFOA has come up with new rules related to CPD scheme. So the basically now from 1st August 2020, requirements of CPD apply to all members except two type of members. स्टूडेंट मेंबर को सीपीडी के रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज द न्यू चेंज फ्रॉम 2020 onwards. So if you are a student member, you can apply for exemption for the same. Like when you fill your reduced rate subscription form, they ask you that CPD declaration. Basically, if you are a student member, then there is no requirement for CPD. Second is non-practicing members. So non-practicing members कौन से हैं? Maybe they are absent from work because of health reasons. You are not a member, or maybe because of maternity leave. You are basically falling under non-practicing reason status. So health reasons or maternity leave की वजह से, if you are a non-practicing member, you fall under non-practicing status. And if you are falling under non-practicing status, again CPD की exemption आप apply कर सकते हो. So basically अब requirement क्या है CPD की? That all those who are fulfilling the criteria for meeting the CPD, then all those who are members must carry out 15 hours of CPD activities in each period. अब period क्या है basically? हर साल 1st September से लेकर 31st August तक. So you have to complete 15 hours of CPD activities in each period. Period runs from 1st September to 31st August. And ये इन 15 घंटों में से 2 घंटे must be professional skills training. अब this raises the question that what exactly are CPD activities? कौन से activity को हम बोलेंगे that these are CPD activities? If you are learning something which is relevant to actuarial work, this will be this will be tagged as your CPD activity, first thing. Second, any professional development that can become a part of your professional skills training as well. Professional development may include if you are delivering any lectures, or if you are taking any seminars, participating in webinars, you are doing personal research, if you are writing some of the articles. Nowadays, a lot of articles are also included in CPD activity. So you are no longer required to submit a record of your CPD, but yes, you should keep a note of what you have done, because you can be asked related to that at any time. So, and one more thing, जो practicing certificate जिनको आगे fellowship या associateship के लिए, they are required to complete further 15 hours additional requirement. Now, important things to remember: members should participate in discussion with a professional who understands the work, or basically who understands the outcomes that you carry on. मतलब ये जो हमने activities count करी है CPD के अंदर, you should basically carry out these activities. You should be involved in discussion with a professional who basically understands all these activities. So you need to have discussion on high learning activities which have helped you over the year, plus you also need to discuss activities which will help you in future. मतलब आपने एक्टिविटी तो कंप्लीट करी, आपको एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करने के साथ साथ ये डिस्कशन भी करनी है. लाइक दिस इज लाइक डिस्कशन विद मैनेजर. हम जैसे हम एनुअल बेसिस पे मैनेजर के साथ डिस्कशन करते हैं रिलेटेड टू परफॉर्मेंस रिव्यू. So this is something like performance review discussion only, but related to particular activity. So any activity that you have counted as CPD, you have to involve in a discussion also with a professional who will be analyzing the things that you have learned from this activity. Plus you need to discuss that what are the things that you will be need to discuss activities which will help you in future. So this is like just a normal discussion with manager related to your performance review. सो सीपीडी का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चेंज जो है वो हमें यही समझना है दैट स्टूडेंट मेंबर्स आर नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर सीपीडी नाउ. It's only the practicing certificate that have to complete the CPD requirements. So if you are non-practicing status or if you are a student member, you can apply for exemptions. But those who do not fill in this criteria, you have to complete your 15 hours of CPD activities and 2 hours must be professional skills training. These are relevant activities which can be counted in CPD. So I hope this answers all your doubts related to CPD. Still, in case you have any doubts, you can see the number getting displayed. You can contact us on this number. So that's it from my side. Thank you.